soapy boat. The water sparkles, giggles start. A splash of joy fills every heart. The rubber duck goes quack, quack, quack as bubbles pop and drift right back. The soap sails off like foamy snow, while happy ripples dance below. Waterfall from tiny hands makes puddles form like magic lands. The mirror fogs, the towels wait for giggle waves that never late. The sponge becomes a mountain high. The bubbles reach up to the sky. A dolphin dives, a pirate shout. Adventure swirls and splashes out. The day runs down, the water gleams. The bath turns calm like evening dreams. All clean and snug with skin so soft. It's bedtime now, sweet dreams aloft.